Well, hello guys, here we are back again. Another trade, another day, and also another video. This is Nasdaq 2-minute chart. I'm taking a beautiful trade, 3 contracts. There is always a window of opportunity that presents itself in the PM of the US session, and it started around 1:45. That's the time I like to make my analysis. And then at 2 p.m. This is a peak where the volatility starts. But as you know, it's December, the end of the year, so there's not much activity left in the PM. Everything happened in the AM around 9:30, the opening of the US session. So that's where the heavy news announcement that could create this volatility that we're looking for. Anyway, this is still a valid trade. All those targets that I'm placed, the first, second, and third, are reference targets, so that I can move them accordingly as the market form itself and the structure of the market reveal itself. So this candle appeared to reach our first target, but didn't happen, so I decided to reverse a little bit down. So let's see what's going on. So as you know, this is the following event of the morning. The market reached a price of 11,100. This is where the market filled the gap that been created for the past days. And then from that, it shoot up and higher prices. And then the median price was 11,200. This is where I'm back again to enter for another trade. This is exactly what happened now at the PM. So the market started to play around this price where the bulls are waiting so to take trades as the market switch from bearish to bullish environment. So let's hope, there's no hope in trading, so just let's see. And let's react and hope for this. Again, I said hope. Let's take the hope aside. Let's see what this going candle if going to take our first target or not. This is again 2-minute chart. There's not much juice in this candle. So there's a new one forming. Let's see. I'm expecting this candle will touch my targets. Come on, baby. I believe in you. Please do that. Yes. Thank you. So this is what happened is now I'm placing my stop loss in an area which is for me, this is a beautiful area where I can place my stop loss. Then with the first contract or the first target that been hit, and then plus if the market goes all the way down and reach my stop loss, well, I will exit with a beautiful profit of like around the $300. So now I adjust the second contract, and this one will monitor now closely as there's not much of volatility that I was expecting. So all my trade and setup now is changing accordingly. So now I wanna create another stop, just one contract, but I'm all confused. I'm tired that I didn't have my coffee in the PM. Always like my coffee in the morning only. So now this is why I don't like to trade in the PM that much. I'm mentally tired, but still we'll figure out. Let's see now. This is the first attempt. Yes, right there. This is the stuff I was looking for. So now if the candle go down and touch this, that's what happened. So now I'm out with one contract left. I won't be stopped with 2 contracts with stop loss, so just 1 contract and still in the game. So Now I'm thinking about just managing this candle, and that's it. So if I'm making around that $500 profit, so overall, if the stop loss will be touched, will be the full $700 profit. Yes, $700 profit. Well, thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Take care.